problem number 32, the sum of eigenvalues. They are saying what is the sum of eigenvalues. As we know, trace is equal to sum of eigenvalues. So just add the values of diagonal elements. 215 plus 150 plus 550. So 5, 11, 4 and 9. 9, 15. So option A is correct. We have done with. Next problem number 33. Problem number 33, for the matrix A, one of the normalized eigenvector is. For finding, okay, normalized eigenvector, what it is, I will tell later. For finding eigenvector, we know the procedure. First, we have to find eigenvalues. Come on, find eigenvalues. 5 minus lambda, 3, 1, 3 minus lambda. Come on, multiply 5 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda, minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 equal to 0. So 5 3s are 15, minus 5 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 8 lambda plus lambda square minus 3 equal to 0. Lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. So 6 to I can write minus 6 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. Lambda minus 6 minus 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Lambda equal to 2 comma 6. So first find lambda equal to 2. At lambda equal to 2, what will be the value? First find at lambda equal to 2. So what I will get after substituting lambda? 3 3 1 1 x1 x2 and I will get 0 0. So 3x1 plus 3x2 equal to 0. If I take 3 outside, I will get x1 plus x2 equal to 0. Here also x1 plus x2 equal to 0. Same equation I am getting. That means I won't get any conclusion from above equations. So let us consider x1 equal to k. Then x2 will become minus k. So x1 comma x2 will become what? x1 comma x2 will become what? K comma minus k. So k I will take out common. 1 minus 1. So normalized eigenvector is this. If you want to find normalized eigenvector, suppose A and B are eigenvector. If you want to find normalized eigenvector means what you have to do? A divided by root over whatever may be the eigenvectors present in this column. So A square plus B square. Then B by root over A square plus B square. Okay, if you have like this A, B, C. If you want to find eigenvector, this is the eigenvector. If you want to find normalized eigenvector, A by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Then B divided by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Then C divided by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, hope you got this. Now with this knowledge, can you tell me what is the normalized eigenvector for the vector eigenvector which we got? Normalized eigenvector for the eigenvector which we got, tell me. K into 1 by root over 1 square minus 1 whole square, that is root 2, minus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 comma minus 1 by root 2. Do we have any option like this? 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 comma minus 1 by root 2. Okay, yes, we got. So we got at lambda equal to 2 itself. Okay, if you won't get lambda equal to 2, then check at lambda equal to 6 also. If you are getting, then it's fine. Okay. Then problem number 34. This is the last problem for eigenvectors. Then we will be starting Cayley-Hamilton theorem next. Okay. So suppose that the eigenvalues of the matrix are 1, 2, 4. Then the determinant of A inverse transpose. So first, what are the eigenvalues of matrix A? 1, 2, 4. If eigenvalues of matrix A are 1, 2, 4, then what are the eigenvalues of A inverse? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. As I was saying, if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of A, then eigenvalues of A inverse are 1 by 1, 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2 and 1 by lambda 3. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So what I will get? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So these are the eigenvalues of A inverse. Then they are asking determinant of A inverse transpose. So first find A inverse transpose. If A inverse have got these are eigenvalues, then transpose will also yield you same as I was saying. A equal to A transpose A inverse eigenvalues are again A inverse transpose eigenvalues are also same. So 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4, if you do transpose then that doesn't affect eigenvalues. Okay, then determinant they are asking. Determinant is indirectly what? Product of eigenvalues. So product I can do 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, so 1 by 8. So what is the answer for this? 1 by 8. We have to substitute the decimal values by entering in the calculator. Okay, from next video we will be starting Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Thank you.